Hello traders, Nathan here, and today's video I want to speak about the same old stuff that I talk about all day long, and that's delta divergence, and how we can use it how you can rather incorporate it to your trading systems and stuff like that. You understand? So this is how I apply it. Today we had a setup that I shared the signal in my signal room, and I said that guys, we need to start preparing to buy dollar CAD because the CAD is being sold off, and this is what I saw. All right, guys, and this is a visual representation of the Canadian dollar, US dollar futures, and then what we're trading here is a spot FX, which is USD CAD. So the symbol for the for the futures is 6C. So all right, so this is what I saw, guys, and we're trying to look at the market in a more elaborate way, and we're trying to zoom into the candlesticks and trying to look into what's happening in every single bar, and that's the key to understanding order flow. Understand? You don't need to look at the depth of market, and you don't need to zoom into the depth of market, look at how the flow of orders and stuff like that. That's so complicated, man. You need to we need to get some slack, man. We need to look at the market in an easier way, and you cannot get easier than that by looking at the delta. Looking at the cumulative delta, that gives you hints and insights on where the market is most likely headed, and it makes you get to see who is winning the battle between bulls and bears. And we're talking about aggressive buyers versus aggressive sellers. Understand? All right, perfect, good. All right, so this is what I saw. I saw the divergence here. 1 second. All right, 1 second. I need to get this to 5 minutes in check and on the spot. All right, guys, I hope you see this. All right, good. So we have some divergence right here. As you can see, the price makes a series of higher highs and a series of higher lows. Sorry. Tell me, are you going to buy into this, or you're going to sell into this? You'll be a retail trader if you buy into that move. You'll be stupid, and you will be very, 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 very unfortunate to lose your bucks. You understand? So what we do is that I saw this particular move right here. All right, and I position myself accordingly because I see the market match the highs right here. The market cannot reach out for new highs at all, despite the buyers trying to push the price higher. You understand? It's desperate buying. It's only a matter of time before the bears take over, and you can see when you spot this kind of divergence, you need to take your position accordingly, and that means that you need to take your position on a short side, which means that you sell off some Canadian dollars, and then you hold on to the dollars, which means buying USD CAD. You understand? Buying USD CAD. That's exactly what we did right here. If I'm to take you back, this is exactly what we did. We bought some USD CAD right about this level. You understand? Right about this level, we bought our dollar CADs at this level, this level, this level, this level, and stuff like that. And we say that we are anticipating a break to the upside. You understand? A break to the upside. Good. So we are on our way. All right, we are on our way, and then all we need to do right here is that we are facing a very strong resistance level right about this level. You understand? You can see this, you can see VSA confirmation right here, VSA confirmation. You can see this down thrust, up thrust. You can see the market is trying to make reach out for the highs. Every high here is a new high. You understand? You see price action. Boom, perfect. Boom, 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 boom. We're back above 128. Yes, round number. Perfect. This looks like but we need to see a full body break. A full body break is a break and close above a certain level that you need. See? Good. Look at. Let's see if we push through. I need to zoom in a little bit here. 1 second. yes, it's a bit, it's a bit, I need to keep it at that. All right, you see, guys, we need a push, we need a push, and a full body break. Full body break is a break and close above the high, above the pivot. See, guys, there we go. All right, so we're making money in the Tokyo session. You understand? I should be dead asleep, but I cannot sleep. Money never sleeps. You understand? Money never sleeps. I need to be awake. I need to monitor my trades because I'm managing people's money. I need to be very vigilant. I need to be very keen, very cautious about every single trade that I take and every single accumulation trade that I take. As you can see, I have bucket loads of buys here. And remember, you need to keep your money management in check. You need to not go aggressive. You need to be a little bit timid. You need to balance your margin and and your free margin and stuff like that. And you need to know exactly what account size you're having and how much exposure you need to get in a certain particular pair. That's what trading is all about. That's what money management, risk management and stuff like that. If you're not aware of this, just feel free to contact me via email, and I'll be glad to take you through what I do and leverage and stuff like that. You understand? Okay, good, perfect. So you can see the market is making new highs right here, and I'm very happy, very happy, very glad that I'm ITM. You understand? I'm in the money. You understand? In the money. So what I can do right here is just to push my stops right here, just tuck them just beneath the days open, and remember, guys, the days open is it depends on your broker server time. You understand? You have brokers that have the days open right at midnight. You have brokers server time, some brokers open at 3 a.m. I'm speaking this with respect to Kenyan traders. You understand? Kenyan traders or Eastern Central Africa, some brokers have some 3 a.m. reset to their order book and stuff like that. We need to understand that the market is going to, the indicators that we use are going to recalculate based on your broker's server time. You understand? If your broker resets his server time in 12 midnight, if your broker resets the order book at 3 a.m. in midnight Tokyo open, then you need to know that you can see VSA confirmation right here that we are all a clean up move. You understand, guys? This looks very tasty. So what will be my target? My target will be a 2840 level, which happens to be the 61.8 fib of the decline that we saw from yesterday's high to previous day's low. Understand? Perfect. So I'm not going to get into that, but I hope that you have learned something with respect to delta divergence and the power that delta has into your trading. If you incorporate this, the divergence right here, market fails to make higher highs on declining delta, then you know that you're in for a big move in the opposite direction. You need to understand the futures market, and you need to understand that you can rely on the futures market to predict the spot FX market. You understand? Good. That's it. I will keep it at 9 minutes on the dot. Goodbye, guys, and speak to you very soon. Cheers. Okay, goodbye.